Hi, my name's Rebecca and I am 16 years old and this is my 10th year in 4-H. And I will be telling you about the Foods Project. I enjoy baking and cooking, and then I definitely enjoy eating the food afterwards. I started when I was younger for fair. I entered simple things like cookies, and then I moved on to quick breads and rolled out cookies, and then now I've been doing more complicated things like yeast breads, pies, and cakes. So I make things like cookies, and the tools I use are things like measuring cups, bowls, spoons, spatulas, measuring spoons, and different tools like pastry cutters and cookie scoops. By trying different things, I like finding things on the internet or in cookbooks and then trying them out and perfecting them. I enjoy making things for my family and friends. I make foods for our club meetings sometimes, and I also enter things in the Johnson County Fair every summer. My goals for this year are to perfect making yeast spreads, to perfect making pies, and then to maybe try something like cinnamon rolls. I would say to practice a lot and to try new things.